for joining me today. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. So today I have the Boxycharm by IPSY box. This is a monthly subscription. It costs $28 a month and it comes with 5 full-size products in it. So we're going to get into what's in my box. So guys, this box is for July 2023. I am also going to try out some of the products in here, not all of them, because you know some of them probably are skincare, but I'm going to try out some of these so I can show you how this box worked for me. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get in to our box here. And this is your little so guys, this is your sneak peek here. And let's get into this box here. So we have a little newspaper here from Boxycharm, and it says the July box is called The Great Escape. And on here it just has a few tips and just information about like the next month's box, like the icon box. Inside it's talking about a few of the sales and everything in here. So if any of you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, that's all that's in this newsletter here. But without further delay, let's get started. So the first item I'm gonna pull out, we have a Earth Harbor product, and this is the Marina product. So this is a skincare product. This is a brightening ampule, and let's take it out of this box. This is a full size one of this one. Now I've had this one before, and I do like Earth Harbor products. I think they're very good, but you know, with me being oily in the summertime, I've literally stayed away from all of my oil products. I will resume them when the fall starts and the weather cools down. But even at nighttime, I've been kind of avoiding these oil products on my face because with the extra oil, it's just kind of making me break out with the acne. So I've been in like a full fight with the acne. So I've kind of not used the oil. So I probably won't use this to the fall. But that is the product that's in here. And this product is a brightening ampule again. And it's supposed to, what is this supposed to do? So guys, this is more or less, this product, the brightening ampule, is more like a treatment that you would use on your face according to the box. And you would just put a few drops on and rub it into your skin as with any product. But this is my first product in the box. So let's move on to our next item. So guys, the next item I have a Verb Ghost exfoliating scalp nectar. So this is for your hair, clearly for your scalp more particularly, and it just says this product is great for the scalp, and exfoliating nectar is lightweight. It's a nectar-like serum, gentle enough to exfoliate all scalps. So it's made with some moringa oil, which helps to fight frizz, and some looks like biotin and AHAs and PHAs as well. And it helps to remove any kind of buildup on the skin. So this is a full-size product. I've never used this particular product by Verb before, but I've tried the Ghost Oil, and I've tried something else that they've made. I can't remember what it is. Maybe it was a hair oil. But I like the product. No problems with the product. But this is a scalp exfoliator here for your scalp. So I have that seborrheic dermatitis thing on my scalp. So stuff like this is stuff that I always like because it kind of helps me get a lot of the buildup off. So this is perfect for me. So this is the second item in our box here. Let me go on to the next one. So guys, the next item we have is made by, what is this? IDS. Yeah, IDS Dermamastic Gold Mask. So we have some masks. I have not received masks in my box for quite a while actually, and it's not because I don't like them. I actually like using these face masks, especially in the summertime, because I like to just wash my face at night and kind of just like put these on and kind of just relax a little bit. So this is a gold mask here, and it has, you know, it's one of the masks where the eyes and the nose and the mouth is cut out. So you just lay this on your face for like a couple of minutes, and I'm assuming it's supposed to do something great to your skin. But everything is kind of written in Chinese or Korean or something back here, so I can't really read all of the benefits. it just says this gold mask gives elasticity to the entire face. So that's fine by me. I'm getting older. I need all my elasticity I can get. So that is those 3 products that I didn't use. So let's go to the 2 makeup products in here that I did use. So guys, the makeup products that we have, I have Ace Beauty. This is one of their setting sprays here, and this is a makeup setting spray. I am the person that likes to spray on every layer of my look to make sure that it stays bulletproof if I have to go outside. So you guys kind of see me spraying, but I spray from the beginning to like the end. First layer, eyebrows, setting power. Next layer, foundation. I'm spraying again. Next layer, my eyeshadows and my blush. Next layer, I'm like spraying it all the way through to kind of keep my makeup bulletproof. So this is my first time trying it out. So far so good today. I'm about to go outside, so we'll see how it holds up outside. But this is the product that I use, the setting spray, and seems pretty fine. I don't know until the end of the day how it's going to work, so we'll see. And the very last product in here is a Natasha Denona palette. This one is called, what is this one called? The Fez palette. Okay. The colors kind of do remind me more of like the fall. Like, I don't know. I use them. So for this look, I did use this color here on the end, and I used the gold color, and I also used this orange color here. So I kind of stacked everything together. I used the darker brown color on the end to kind of bold out the look a little bit. I went back in with this lighter color orange on the inner here, and then I finished off with the gold to kind of give us that nice gold finish, summer kind of glow. So I had fun with this palette. Now this shade here did come broken, and IPSY did give us a warning about that, that some of them were coming broken, but you could still use them. And you guys know you could kind of like reset some of these palettes that come broken with some rubbing alcohol and just kind of reset them in there. But yeah, it did come broken, but I'm showing you guys how I created the look. I hope you guys enjoyed how everything kind of came together. And that's the fun part about makeup. You don't really know how it's going to look and how all is going to come together, but I just think it's so much fun getting through the process. So guys, we have 5 products in this box. So we have our Natasha Denona, we have our Ace Beauty setting spray, we have a Verb Ghost oil with, the Verb Ghost exfoliating nectar, not the ghost oil. We have the Earth Harbor Marina treatment oil, and we have the IPSY Gold Lift Mask here. So this was a pretty cool box for me. I loved getting the Natasha Denona palette. That was my favorite. And actually, I'm kind of hyped to try this Verb exfoliating scalp nectar here that they have, to see how that works on my scalp. I'm always looking for a product that makes it a little bit easier for me to get through like that flaky scalp business. So if anyone else is suffering, we all probably are sharing the same sentiments with the constantly making sure your hair is washed and don't have any buildup on your scalp. So I hope this product is something that works good for me. But guys, overall, this is my box. I thought it was pretty okay. Yeah, it was pretty okay. I can't complain. I mean, like I told you, the Natasha Denona and this Verb product here are probably like my favorite 2 out of the whole box, but I can use everything in my box, so there's no problems there. But if any of you guys got any of these products in your boxes, I would love to hear from you and learn how these products worked out for you guys, or if you had a little fun with them like me, or if your palette came broken like mine. But on the brighter side, guys, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I would love to have you a part of my family here. And until my next video, guys, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.